So our shelter is located at Logan Elementary School. It's very safe. There is space for parking. The building is accessible. There are several ramps to help individuals who are wheelchair bound get into the building. There's electricity, water. Because it's a working school, we are going to best assume that there are fire extinguishers, fire alarms, fire sprinklers, and other safety features. There are about 29 classrooms that could be used as sleeping space or storage space for the community. There are three restrooms, three for males and three for females. There are telephones that could be used to help contact loved ones as we're trying to help the community reconnect with their families. There's healing, cooling, and the cafeteria. We have the cafeteria, so we have kitchen space and cooking equipment to help prepare meals and serve foods for the community.